Hi, Richard Huntley here, back with a brand new video. Today, you're probably curious, if you're watching this, what will happen if you can plank for 1 minute every day for a month? Well, in this episode, we're going to cover, first of all, the number one worst way to plank. Please do not plank like this. So many people do plank exercises, but they're doing them wrong and they're going to do more damage to the body than good. Next, we're going to be looking at the proper way, the best way for you to plank to keep your body in optimal health. Lastly, we're going to cover what you can expect to happen in the 1 month. The next month if you start planking each day. But also I'm going to include at the end of this video a plank variation demonstration tutorial exercise. It's a really good one to really mix up things too. So let's get started on this. First slide, I wanted to keep this presentation format so I can break it down so you can understand it clearly. Right, first up, you don't want to arch the back. So many people have the arch, like in the top image there, you see the little red zone, and you're going to do damage there, and also onto the neck. The neck is pointed downwards and you're arching the back, okay, and you're doing more damage than good. Next up, in the middle here, they drop the hips too low and the head comes up and you're not working the abdominals, and that's the problem. This is a real strong core exercise and you're not doing that if you're dropping the hips. If you lose form with 1 minute challenge, just stop. Okay, it's better to stop than trying to hold it out for the last 10 seconds in bad form like one of the images at the top or the middle there. What we want is focus on good, clean, central plank line form, which is the one at the bottom there. You see how it's more of a straight central line? That's beautiful hold there, and that's what we want to try and contract. That's why 1 minute of a good form exercise is better than 2 minutes of bad, and that's what I want the take-home message for today with this plank will be. Right, we've looked at the mistakes, so let's move swiftly on. Here's a demonstration that I wanted to share with you quickly. It's called plank drops. You lift up, you go up on the hands and you drop down. You can mix up tempos with this. What's great about this is you're holding the plank position, but then you're working the arms as well coming up. So it's a bit of a 2-for-1 when you do the exercise. Burns lots of calories too, which is great. Like I've said here, aim for 1 minute, but if you can increase it to 2, absolutely great. Repeat the cycle over if you want more of a workout. If you just want a challenge for the next 30 days for 1 minute, do this one, or just a straight hold plank like I showed in the presentation slide before. Now, what to expect over the next 1 month? Your ab strength and your core strength will go through the roof compared to when you first started, because you're having to use the stabilizer muscles, which is what I call like the tree trunk of the body. So much of our power and strength is from there. Your belly will flatten down because we're using the abs and you're tightening everything in. Yes, belly fat a lot of the time is because of our diets. We need to make sure, if you really want to flatten it out and lose the weight around the midsection, we do need to get our diets right too. But you will start flattening out and have a more toned functional abdominal area in the obliques as well if you do this style exercise. Better posture, which is always needed, which is better form exercise. Improved balance and coordination too. Now, like I said, aim for 1 minute. If you can do it for 2 minutes, absolutely fine. But remember, we want to do this every single day. And what's good, it's going to be a good way to wake you up too. Imagine doing this in the morning. It's going to be a little challenge to excite you. When you actually accomplish it and you hit that 1 minute mark, it's going to make you feel good and you're going to be better through the whole day, your mindset. So, hope you enjoy this little challenge. Hit that like button and share this with your family and friends. Always appreciate your support. If you want to watch more videos like this, I'll pop some in the video here for you to watch and a playlist too. And subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Always appreciate everybody's support over the years. More than 700, probably closing up to 800 videos we've got on this channel now. And it blows me away with all the support I've had over the years. Lots of love to you all. Thank you for your support. Keep working hard, keep training well, but train smart most of all. Enjoy the journey as we go along together. We're all on this journey together, okay? I'm not here preaching to anybody. I'm still working on myself every day, just like everybody else should be. Okay, hope you've enjoyed this. See you very soon, everyone, and have an amazing day.